So this is new and Huawei first gaming laptop, Huawei Matebook GT 14-inch 2024. Let's unboxing and take a look. This is 140 watt fast charger with a dual head adapter and Type-C cable. So let's take a look at the Matebook GT. Thin or relatively thin, the weight is also okay too. Look at the back. Two USB and one HDMI port. If this is graphic card expansion house, plug it in here. This is lightning port and this should be the charging port. Then what is this interface? Is it possible that the graphic card house is plugged in here? Then open it and take a look. This is machine itself. It seems that this is a gaming laptop using OLED display. Delay is 1 ms. Then the heat dissipation area is relatively large. Then we turn it on and see. So this should be the fingerprint button. Wow, it has a fingerprint chip. Well, the screen looks like this. I don't know if you can see clearly. The number on the screen are still relatively highlighted. Then let's look at the display management. Now he can adjust this directly here. Then the resolution is 2880x1920 pixel. A screen of 2.8K. Then look at the refresh rate. The refresh rate is 144 as the other option is 120, has a dynamic 60 as a low. Then there is a fixed 144 high refresh rate. This is pretty good. Then this screen is OLED. It is original sound should be delay. The response time should be 1 millisecond. Your regular IPS seem to have a 3 milliseconds. This one is also OLED and this is also a big feature of this computer. And then other things. Let's look at the processor. This is Intel Ultra 5 1250 125H 3.5 main screen. The memory is 16 GB. The memory frequency is 6400. This is acceptable. Then the chip has a 40 and 83. Then the accuracy rate is 3.6. Okay, let's take a look at its logo. It seems that this logo is metal variant, then a luminous font in metal. Then let's open it up and take a look. Look, after you turn it on, this metal logo will light up. Then we close the lid. The logo will go out. This animation is still possible. Then it's graphic card cube. Then I asked the people at Huawei store what is this interface for, and he said this is for gaming. These two originally had a one Type-C, one is the Thunderbolt interface. This should be the 3.5 mm headphone jack connected to the graphic card.